Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. For Leo po ito, Leo. Take only what resonates. Dito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi honestly hindi naman talaga ito para sa lahat. Alam niyo naman yon. General reading to. Kung gusto mo pwede ka magpa-personal reading sa akin. Pwede ako tumanggap sa ngayon. No? Pero kung hindi na ako free, Jing Tarot Reader is always free. Ayan, magpapa-schedule lang sa akin. Sa ngayon, pwede kayong magpaano hanggang free ako. I-message mo sa akin sa TikTok. I-message mo ako sa TikTok Unicorn Princess Tarot para sa ibang details regarding doon. So again, this is for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Leo. Let's start your reading. Okay. For Leo. Nakakita ko ng like infinity sign or maybe na number 8. So, pwedeng, I don't know, you could be wearing like an infinity bracelet or ring ngayon, jewelry, maybe sa damit, or maybe it's the number 8. Something to do with that. Ayan. Or might be may mga hawak kang bagay ngayon na may kinalaman doon na itsurang ganoon. Ano. Crickets is here. Yeah, you do have here Drama Queen. So, Leo, I feel like hindi ka nakikipag-usap sa someone na parang nawala or umalis na sa buhay mo. Like, this person is like negative para sa'yo. And ngayon, you are focusing what's on the table. Ano yung nasa harapan mo, ano yung mga meron ka, you're focusing on these things. Pagdating sa person in the past, I feel like you are pwedeng either nahihiya ka sa kanya or vice versa kasi pwedeng siya yun yung nahihiya sa'yo. This person is actually available. Pwedeng either siya yung available or hinihintay niya na ikaw ay maging available or maging pwede ka nang kausapin, pwede ka nang puntahan, pwede ka nang like maybe for now hindi ka kahit makipag-usap itong taong to hindi ka para sumagot or makipag-usap sa kanya because you don't want negativity for now, no? You're clearing your energy towards this person. Anong gusto mangyari ng person na to? Anong gusto niya? Messages for Leo. Anong gusto mangyari ng person na ito? Anong gusto mangyari ng person na to? For the sign of Leo, please. Archangel Michael, and you do have here anxiety and lockbox. So for what I can see here, itong person na ito is currently pinoprotektahan niya yung kanyang sarili pinoprotektahan niya rin yung kanyang sarili. This person is pwedeng natatakot siya, so pwedeng may boundary sa inyong dalawa, hindi pwede na situation. So that could be anything, no? That could be because of a third party situation or because of religion, ganyan, or that could be because hindi pwede because of family matter, family related issues. So I feel like for now, feeling mo this person is wala na or tapos na siya sa buhay mo, then if you're single, you're focusing sa mga bago or sabi ko nga sa mga nasa harapan mo. But if you're already in a relationship, maybe yun din, nakafocus ka sa iyong family, sa relationship mo, etc. You are the one na parang hindi masyado nakikipag-communicate dito sa person na to. Dahil una sa lahat, hindi rin naman siya masyadong gumagawa ng enough action para makuha yung attention mo. Okay? Pero ano yung emotions nitong taong ito sa'yo, Leo? Emotions nitong person na ito. Your person here is the chaser. So, itong person na ito really do likes you. Talagang gusto ka niya. Entrapment is here. I feel like itong person na ito wants to have a future with you. And yeah, you do have your meeting and dalawang beses na ito on the table and the meeting, and that is signifying 2 people or 3 people are involved dito sa connection nito. So might be some of you, either you are already in a relationship or itong person nito is already in a relationship na yun yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit hoping na lang itong person nito sa'yo, na hopya siya, no? Hoping siya na magkaroon ng connection sa inyong dalawa. But the problem is, gusto rin niya magkaroon ng connection kahit nandiyan pa yung iba kasi yung third party na tinutukoy is, sinabi ko nga pwedeng person or religion or family. Alin man doon. Yung nagiging hadlang. And nakikita natin itong person na to, gusto niya pa rin na magkaroon ng connection sa inyo kahit nandito tong hadlang sa inyo. Okay, parang okay lang sa kanya because this person, gusto niya magkaroon ng agreement, kaayusan, no? Or connection pa rin, pag-uusap sa inyo kahit pa medyo malabo. Because, kumbaga, kampante na siya or komportable na siya basta nandyan ka lang. Basta ka hindi napuputol yung connection nating dalawa. So, ganun yung nasa isip nitong person nito. So, what will happen in the near future for you, Leo? Near future for Leo. Near future for Leo. You do have your family. Wow. I feel like in the near future, may mga bago or may mga biglaang pangyayari dito sa iyong finances, especially with regards to family. I can see financial support dito. You do have your obsession and nakikita natin may mga bagay kang pipigilan or pipigilin with regards to your money. And or maybe your family will try to stop you from something. Itatry ka nitong because there's a lot of love here in the near future for you. And ikaw kasi hindi naman love yung focus mo, sa totoo lang. Kung may love man dito, love for family, etc. Now, what you want is maybe has something to do with child, or you want I'm seeing a person, maybe a relative or a friend who is going to visit you in the near future. May pagbisita mula dito sa taong to, and tell me about this. Yan, this will create big changes, and pwedeng itong person na ito is a karmic person. Hamster wheel is here, so there's big change sa inyong dalawa. I can see a toxic person, and I feel like you do have your grip, so pwedeng itong person to pwedeng maging mahirap para sa'yo yung pagdating niya. So, this could be another toxic person. Hindi and some of you, I can see a deadline of a project or may mga dapat kang tapusin. And I can see a deadline here. So, unahin mo itong mga bagay na to. In the near future for Leo, please. Random message, guys, to ha. Crush is here. Okay, someone here is really sobrang nasasaktan, and this person is going to have a new beginning with you. And pwedeng itong person na ito will parang kailangan ka niya or vice versa, pwedeng kailanganin mo siya, so kaya siya babalik. But this person will create big change sa'yo. Gagawa ng malaking pagbabago sa buhay mo. Okay? And I feel like itatry ka niyang i-stop from something, like maybe stop from whatever decision mo sa buhay mo, but this person will try to interfere, no? So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.